Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Drop the Beat mode in CookieRun OvenSmash. And by the way, just a quick heads up, the game isn't available yet to many regions until the 23rd of April. So this will help you get ready before it drops. Now, Drop the Beat mode is a 3v3 team mode where the goal is to control the center stage and earn points over time. The longer your team holds that area, the more your score fills up. And the first team to hit the target score wins. When the match starts, both teams will rush toward the middle, and this is where most of the action happens. Your priority is to secure that center stage early, because controlling it from the start gives your team a huge advantage. And here's the key thing, this mode is not about chasing kills, it's all about control. Even if you're not getting eliminations, as long as your team is holding the stage, you're winning. So always focus on staying inside the zone and pushing enemies out instead of overextending. Teamwork is super important here. You don't want to go in alone. You want to stick with your teammates so you can hold the area longer and defend against enemy pushes if your team gets wiped. The enemy quickly take control and catch up. Another big tip is timing your abilities and spell cards. Save them for when the enemy team tries to retake the stage. A well-timed skill can completely stop their push and keep your team in control. Also, positioning matters a lot. You want to try to stay inside the zone while avoiding too much damage. If you overcommit, you might get eliminated and give the enemy free control. So yeah, that's how you play Drop the Beat mode. Control the center, stay with your team, use your skills at the right time, and focus on the objective instead of just fighting. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!